Hi, this is Angie from Brown Haired Bliss, and today's style is a flip through mohawk. This can also be used as a ray hairstyle. It's super cute and super easy, so let's get started. To start, we're going to make a section of hair at the top of the head. So make a part, then at the crown of the head to the ear on each side, just make a part to the ear. Now take that remaining hair underneath and just put it in an elastic just to keep it out of the way. Now you're going to grab that hair that we're going to put in our first ponytail and just comb it back. You can spray it with water as you go, which is what I usually do, just to keep it smooth. Now right here I just noticed I had a little too much hair, so I just parted that hair out and just put it downward. Now add an elastic to that section of hair at the crown of the head at the top, but don't put it up too high. Now get a topsy tail tool and you're going to put it in behind the elastic, just right in the middle behind the elastic. Now grab the hair, flip it upwards through the topsy tail. Now hold on to that hair because we don't want to pull it all the way through. So pull the topsy tail through, but keep that loop, and that is going to be our first loop. Now we're going to let that hair down underneath and we're going to take another section of hair. So I just go from the bottom of the ear to the bottom of the ear on the other side. And then I just, again, get that hair and clip it out of the way and then comb that hair, including the hair from the first flip, into that ponytail. Now add another elastic and get the topsy tail again. Here's a close-up. You want to put the topsy tail behind the elastic. You can just see it right there, right behind it. Now right here I just comb the hair out just to make it smooth. Put the hair upwards through the topsy tail. And again, hold on to that loop so it doesn't go through all the way and pull the hair through. Now there is a little more hair in this loop, so I got some bobby pins and I just pushed the loop upward and bobby pinned it in place. And this will just make it so it doesn't fall down. Now we're going to do the same thing, but this time it's just going to be at the bottom of the head. So again, add an elastic, put the topsy tail through behind the elastic. Grab the hair, flip it upwards, hold on to the loop, and pull that hair through. Now again, since there's a lot of hair here, I'm going to hold that hair against the head and I'm going to add a bobby pin. Now I have this remaining hair at the bottom, so I'm going to just twist it a little bit and get the topsy tail and go upwards behind the elastic. Put the hair through the loop of the topsy tail and pull it up. Now we want to hide that hair, so just put it downwards and then pull that loop up over it and bobby pin it in place again, and that'll make it just so you can't see it. And that is it. This is the final style. It is so cute and so easy to do. My girls absolutely love it because it stays put all day long, so it's really good for school and for sports. And again, this is a fun ray hairstyle, so that's fun too. I hope that you guys enjoy recreating it on your own. Thank you so much for watching. We love creating video tutorials for you, and we hope that you enjoy watching them and recreating these styles on your own. Please subscribe above, and you can also click above if you want to see some of our past tutorials. We have so many to choose from. We'll see you on our next video. Bye!